Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Kelsey Ann, this is Kelsey Ann Fit, and today we're going to be working our abs in a new series I call 5-Minute Fix. This series focuses around short workouts in about 5 minutes, so there's really no excuse, guys. Everybody has 5 minutes. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks so much and have a good one. Bye! Alright, let's get started. We're going to start with 5 moves, doing each for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. The first move we're doing is a single leg drop. So the modified is in the top left corner and we're going for 45 seconds. In the more advanced, your shoulders are off of the mat, hands behind your head. Dropping one leg at a time while bracing your core, making sure that your low back stays on the mat. In the modified, you can actually put your hands underneath your tailbone if you find your low back is coming off of the mat. While in modified, your knees stay in tabletop position and you drop your toes to the mat instead of extending it out. Just a little longer. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now we're resting for 15 seconds. The next move is going to be a roll up. Again, the modified will be in the top left corner. For this roll up, you want to tuck your chin in, rolling your spine up, arms coming above your head, and coming back down to the mat, bracing your core the entire time. For the modified, your knees are slightly bent, still having good posture with your hands reaching behind your legs to help pull yourself up. Make sure you continue to breathe through all these exercises because it is super important anytime you're exercising and anytime you're working with your core to take a yoga approach and continue to breathe. Ten seconds left. Keep going. Our next move is a kneeling side dip. More advanced, you have your hands behind your head. This forces you to have a straighter posture. For the modified, you can extend your arms out to the side and reach slightly down to the ground. You don't have to touch the ground, but just reach towards each side, making sure that your shoulders are back and down and everything is in line. Three, 2, 1, and rest. And rest. The last 2 moves are going to be done on each side in a side plank, making sure that your shoulder stays in line with your elbow, that you're not hyperextending or underextending your shoulder girdle. You can stack your feet one on top of the other, or you can stagger them like I have on my side. For the modified, you're going to go on your knees and do the same motion. Make sure your hips don't roll forward or roll back whenever you do this motion. And you're going to repeat on the other side for your last move. Almost done. A few more seconds. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Be sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more, and have a great day.